a bracket here, another bracket here. So what the operation that will be here is product to give us what? Plus 4. I put another bracket here. This addition. When I sum it, I will get
5.
Plus what? 5. So, and the number that will be here must be identical numbers.
Yes.
So, what can give me plus 4 is
1
plus 1 by 4.
Give us 4.
And 1 plus
4 will give us
5. That is plus 5, right?
Okay.
So, are you getting what we are doing now?
Yes.
So, I will rewrite the equation to be in 4 terms. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So, that is what you do if you want to factorize. It must be in 4 terms. So x squared plus, we now pick the terms, these factors of 4 that will fit into the equation. We have it to be plus x plus what?
4x.
4x
Plus 4.
Then plus 4 equal to 0. So if you check, you see that we are not changing anything.
Yes.
This, if you resolve this, it will still be plus 5x.
X.
This is done. So nothing has changed.
The concept of s is 1.
Yeah. So this is a 4 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is only in this state that you can start doing your factorization and other things. But here now is 1, 2, 3. So resolve these 2, you get this. So I can place my brackets, neglecting this. Just to explain some certain things, I can place my bracket here and also place my bracket here. And I will consider these 2 and I look for what I will factor out here, or what is common to these 2 terms.
X.
The only thing that is common there is x. I bring out the s. Then I will take this s and divide this.
Give us x.
So, and remember that this is x squared. So let's put it well. If I divide with this, I'll have only x, right? I will divide with this.
Plus
I'll have plus what? 1. So, for you to have something, or for you need to ask yourself, you need to differentiate of certain things. The next bracket that we get here must have x plus 1 inside it. So, you will have x plus 1 inside it. Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
So, looking at this now, after factorizing this one, I'll look at this one. So, what we divide here and divide here is what I'm going to bring out here. If you look at this now, plus 4 can go here, plus 4 can go here. So, I'll have to bring out plus 4. Then, if plus 4 divide 4x, it will remain only x. That's what we have there. And plus 4 divide 4 will be plus 1. And all this equal to 0. So there is identical bracket here at this point. So we're going to drop one of the identical brackets and pick this. That is the method. We have x plus 4 into x plus 1 to be equal to 0. So these 2 brackets are equal to 0. The product is what is here. So there is either condition here. If this by this is equal to 0, the either there is that this can be equal to 0 or this can be equal to 0. Any of them can be equal to 0. Since the product of the 2 is equal to 0. So 2 times 3, or if you say x times y equal to 0, is only s or y, either s or y. It must be 0 for that equation to hold. So in that condition, you equate this one to 0, and also equate this one to 0 for your answer to come out. So I will bring it up here so that you see what we're talking about. So what we have there is that we have x plus 4 equal to 0, or x plus 1 equal to 0. So in this one, if we continue, we have that you can open the bracket and say x plus 4 equal to 0. Another combination is that x is equal to minus 4, x minus 4.
Yes.
Then for this one, you can have a condition that x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then put the column and show that x will be equal to minus 1. So here now x is equal to minus 4, 1, or minus 4 or 1. So
but you say it's only
minus 1.
You will write.
No,
What's in jam? You're not going to give it like this.
no, you cannot. This is that you have to get the two roots of the equation. It's not only one that you are not asked. They didn't ask you to look for base. If it is base, you pick the positive one. If it is base, you are looking for base and you get minus.
Okay,
You cannot work.
I understand. Yes.
So it's only in base.
Okay, this one is factorization.
Just factorize, solve, and get the roots of the equation. So if you are plotting, if you are sketching graph for this, you have it in this form.
Yes.
Then your graph, even if it's going like this, something of this kind of nature, what it means that there is a shift from this graph shifted to the negative side of x.
Yes.
This one should be. So it will cut this x at -1, -4. That's where it will intersect. Yes. Because the x-axis. So it can be like this or like this.
You can also get it at the down too.
Yep. It's only at x. This is the value of x.
Okay.
Not y.
Is 2.
So
Not s and y.
yeah. This answer was cutting as y equal to 2. This is y here, minus y, and this is the origin. So look at the original equation. The original equation, this 0 is y. So at the point where y is 0, that is why you can get the value of x.
When y is 0, s is minus.
When y is 0, s is minus 1, minus 4. That is the condition. Apart from this condition, nothing else again. So you see that it's very simple. Then you can use this thing to form the equation back. You can still use it. Okay. I will just apply it here. I will form back the equation. Remember it's x minus 4 or minus 1. So after solving the equation, we got that x is equal to minus 4. You don't want that x is equal to minus 1. So I can bring them back again. I say x plus 4 in brackets. You see, this one is equal to 0. I play into x plus 1 again equal to 0. So if I open the bracket, I will come back.
And yes, if you want to know the answer is correct, you can get back to this.
If I get back to that, I work it again. Still get back to the normal system.
I usually used to do it when I don't know how to solve it.
So if I open the bracket, x by x.
S squared.
You give me x squared, x by 1 plus x. Then this one plus 4x. Then this one now is plus what? 4 equals to 0. The result is 2x squared
plus 5x
plus 5x then
plus 4
equals to 0.
Correct.
So that is the equation that we just solved.
You know that some like this they'll give you in bracket. You see to factorize it in bracket like that. You now bring it out.
Yeah, I'll give you that one. You factorize. Then the next one, if you are forming, we just use the roots to form the equation. Then there is a place where they say using the sum of the roots. Then you have your x squared. Okay, is it this minus into alpha plus beta, then of x plus product of the roots alpha beta equal to 0.